Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of juicing for healthy eyes and sharper vision. I'm excited to share a delicious and nutritious juice recipe that can give your eyes a powerful boost. But first, let's chat about why eye care is so important. Why eye care matters. Our eyes are our window to the world. But in our digital age, constant screen time and environmental factors like pollution strain them. This can lead to problems like dry eyes, blurry vision, and even cataracts. To protect our eyes, we need a healthy diet rich in eye-friendly nutrients. Juicing is a great way to pack a ton of those nutrients into one easy drink. Key nutrients for eye health. Certain fruits and veggies are champions for eye health because they're loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Here are some key players. 1. Vitamin A, crucial for night vision and healthy eyes in general. 1. Vitamin C, a superhero antioxidant that fights free radical damage. 1. Vitamin E, another antioxidant that shields eyes from oxidative stress. 1. Zinc, helps form visual pigments in the retina. 1. Lutein and zeaxanthin, filter out harmful blue light and protect against macular degeneration. By juicing fruits and veggies rich in these nutrients, you're giving your eyes the support they need to thrive. Vision-boosting juice recipe. Now, for the main event, our vision-boosting juice recipe. This delicious blend is packed with ingredients that nourish and protect your eyes from within. Ingredients. 1. 2 carrots. 2. 1 cup spinach. 3. 1 cup kale. 4. 1 orange. 5. 1 inch ginger. 6. 1 small beet. 7. 1 cup water, optional for consistency. Instructions. 1. Wash and prep your ingredients. 2. Peel and chop the carrots and orange. 3. Juice the ingredients one by one, starting with greens, then carrots, orange, ginger, and beet. 4. If it's too thick, add water to thin it out. 5. Stir well and enjoy immediately for the most nutrients. Why these ingredients are great for your eyes. 1. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, converted by your body into vitamin A for healthy vision. 1. Spinach and kale are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, protecting your eyes from blue light and age-related macular degeneration. 1. Oranges are a powerhouse of vitamin C, guarding your eyes from free radical damage. 1. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce eye strain and fatigue. 1. Beets contain nitrates that improve blood flow to the eyes, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen. Benefits of drinking this juice regularly. By incorporating this juice into your routine, you'll be giving your eyes a powerful boost of nutrients that can improve vision, reduce strain, and protect against age-related problems. Tips for eye health beyond juicing. Making this juice is easy. Simply whip up a batch in the morning or enjoy it as a midday pick-me-up. Here are some additional eye-healthy habits. 1. 20-20-20. Rule: every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break to look at something 20 feet away. 1. This helps reduce eye strain from screens. 1. Sunglasses. Shield your eyes from UV rays with sunglasses outdoors. 1. Balanced diet. In addition to juicing, eat a variety of fruits, veggies, whole grains, and lean proteins for a wide range of eye nutrients. 1. Hydration. Drinking plenty of water keeps your eyes lubricated and prevents dryness. There you have it, a delicious and nutritious juice recipe to support healthy vision for years to come. Remember, healthy eyes are essential for a good quality of life. Make eye care a priority by incorporating this juice and other healthy habits into your routine. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. And if you have questions or tips, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep juicing for better vision and a healthier you.